Kawaii Kon! I want you all on your feet! Can you do that for me? Stand up! Everyone stand up! Let's go! Woo! Hop, hop, come on! Hop, let's go! That's right! Woo! Lose your mind, crack a nervous breakdown. You feel an urge inside to touch another letdown. You try to change your life, you jump another thing now. But then you hear a voice inside. You gotta open up your vision to see the light so far you blinded by reality. A broken ideology, heart in captivity. Exceeding your see your capability, endless possibility. Find your individuality. Let the chase begin. Don't tell me what direction you think I should take. No, gotta find the way. Don't tell me that the same old is for my own sake. This is what I've got to say. Don't tell me to believe those who think you're right. Facing a new day. You gotta open up your blinded eyes to live in a life. Start living your life. Your mind, no way. Make some noise. Today you're breaking the way. Even song is such you're burning out, and your heart is run down. The city shut down. All you want is face to face, you never back down. 'Cause it's not that you know the time is right. You gotta lead a revolution, believe the only light in you. Burning down the speed you can to find your reality. Breaking down the walls surrounding your particularly boring ideology. First chance, you let it slip away. One chance you don't wanna throw away. Take chance, the break. Don't tell me they're making another mistake. No, gotta find a way. Tell me they're ending another heartache. This is what I've got to say. Don't tell me that today is already too late. Facing a new day. You gotta open up your blinded eyes to live in the light. Start living your new life. Oh, not everything is always what it seems. But everything is beyond what you could see. It doesn't mean that all the critical things are lost. It's a change defiance to be heard. You never needed the anger to move on. All you needed the will to hold on. Last chance to get a limit. Nothing begins if you don't see it. This is how your life goes. Come on, Kawaii Kon! Don't tell me what direction you think I should take. No, gotta find a way. Tell me that the same boat is for my own sake. This is what I've got to say. Don't tell me to believe that this isn't your best. Facing a new day. You gotta open up your blinded eyes to live in the light. Start living your life. My way or no way. Today I'm falling away. My way or no way. Today I'm breaking away. My way or no way. Today I'm falling away. My way or no way. Today I'm breaking away. Kawaii Kon, are you ready? Put your hands in the air. Let me see those hands in the air and clap with me. 溢れそうな涙を閉じ込めていたこのガラスのメンタリティこそないようにと明日を生き抜くために心を押し殺したこの世界中どこ探しても心が満たされないから生きる意味を求めて歌い続けた今まで君の痛みにこの声が届かなくても僕らの未来を信じてたいから I sing my faith song Sing itそうな自分をずっと悔やんでいた戦いは無意味だと諦めていたこの普通なリアリティ寄れないようにとこの子を切れるたびに心を見失ってた I don't know where I belong No Come on 今じゃない仕方ない言い訳に本当はないと叫びたいくせに伝わろうなのにずっと強がってたそれじゃこのままいつまでも進めないだからもう逃げもしない恐れない Time to face the truth that lies ahead If I should give up the strength to fight If I still carry this voice inside I finally found the reason to live my life この世界中どこ探しても心が満たされないから生きる意味を求めて歌い続けた今まで君の痛みにこの声が届かなくても僕らの未来を信じてたいから Let's sing my fight song Sing it Go Hawaii Go Woo! Thank you! Hello everyone! Aloha! Nano desu! Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. I was here 4 years ago at Kawaii Kon, and so it's amazing to be back here. I'm just so excited. The show's only just begun, and I know that you guys in the front are really hyped about this. That makes me really happy. And I'm hoping that little by little, the people in the middle, the back, the sides, you all come join Rock On with me. Please, don't be shy. Come on up. Even if you have seats, I don't know how the tickets are, but if you're allowed to come up here, please do come up here. Rock on, join the fun, and we're gonna have an amazing time. Are you ready to rock on with me? You can do better than that. Kawaii Kon, are you ready to rock on with me? Woo! Then let's go. No pain, no game. 世界のストーリー抱いててもうなくさまよい続けた New Dream, a new world The game has just begun Emotionally the wise Come on! Tomorrow brings a new day Start to run the greatest game Ready for it? I have a request. Is it okay if I take a picture with you guys? Yeah? Awesome. So if you guys want to come up front, all of you in the back, so that we can all get in this picture together, please don't be shy. I don't know when I'll be able to come back to Hawaii, and I just want everyone in the photo if you want to. If you're too shy and you don't want to, of course not. But if you're okay with it, please come. Please come up here. As people are coming up here, I would also like to tell you about my autograph session after this, starting at 4. Please be there. I'm going to sign until my hand falls off. Also, tomorrow I will have a Q&A panel and also another autograph session. So I hope you guys will check that out and please come see me. Thank you guys. Thank you. 本当にありがとう。Thank you. I see so many awesome cosplays as well. Yeah. And I saw a little girl in the back who was really rocking out with her dad, maybe? Oh, hello, hello. So happy to see that too. Thank you. Okay, are we ready? Okay, let's get an awesome group shot. So I hope everyone fits. Is everyone gonna fit all right? Do I need to get super low? Are we good? Okay, on the count of 3, when I say 1, 2, 3, Hawaii, I'm gonna say rock on, okay? Okay, let's go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, Hawaii, rock on! Awesome, and then I want a personal photo with my own phone. Is that okay? Woo! Okay, let's go! Okay, so, woo, that's really close. Okay, so on the count of 3, we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, Kawaii Kon, rock on! Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, Kawaii Kon, rock on! Thank you! And please, I brought merch from Japan. It's very limited. I released a new shirt as well, just for this event. So thank you guys. Hope to see you guys after this at my autograph session. ありがとうございました。Rock on!